this is our lift panel basically. So the one most important issue is if the guest is getting stuck inside the lift, how to rescue him. So the procedure is very simple. This is your lift panel. You have to come here, you have to open it. The whole evacuation procedure is written here. Like you will see from top to bottom, it is written here. So suppose if you are getting call from CCTV or from somewhere the guest is stuck. So first thing you have to go and check on which floor he is stuck. 6th floor, 7th floor, confirm with CCTV guy, or go and you can open the door manually, you can see where it is stuck. So you have to first confirm it is stuck on 6th and 7th floor and ask your security guy to stay there. You will be having a security guy with you. Ask him to stay there on that floor, and then the engineer will come on this panel. So there are supposed to be two guys. One guy at that level where the lift is stuck to speak with rover. I mean, ask CCTV guy to speak with rover as well, because you maybe because of lift getting stuck, rover will get panic. So ask him to stay, ask him to speak, and also ask your one of the security guy to stay there at the location because he will take out the rover. And then engineer will come here. He will open the door, and it is very simple. For example, the lift is running on building power. Okay. So what you have to do? You have to shut down this power. This is my main power. Just shut down. Shutting down power means it will not shut down. It is having a backup batteries. So once you shut it down, the lift will go on battery mode, and also it will go on manual mode. That means the rover is pressing button from inside. It will not work once you shut down this button. So once you shut down this breaker, the lift is going manual mode. Manual mode is in your hand basically, and nothing will happen. Rover will do anything. Nothing will happen. Okay. After that, see this point. You can see the top arrow. You can see the bottom arrow. You can see the middle arrow. So this is also important to know if these LEDs are working or not. Up LED, middle LED and bottom LED, if it is working or not. So you got up button, you got down button. You just press it once and see if the up LED is on. You press it down button as well. You can see. I mean, you can press both of them at the same time, and you can see if the LEDs are on or not. You just have to check if the LEDs are on or not. That's it.
Hello.
Then press this thing on. Right now it is off because the lift is normal. I haven't done anything. Once again, now repeating, you have to shut down this. You have to shut down this breaker. Then you have to check by pressing these two buttons. You have to check LED. Then you have to turn it on. I mean the battery, the manual mode. You have to turn it on, and then you have to play with this button. So once you press this button, you have to press for maximum 3 seconds only. You just press this button for 3 seconds and see. So if the lift is going upward, it's automatic. You cannot take lift up or down. It is happening automatically. If the lift is near to upper floor, it will go to upper floor. If lift is near to bottom floor, it will go to bottom floor. And this is to take the lift up and down. So once you press, but yes, make sure you are pressing only for 3 seconds. Otherwise, the lift will take a jerk and the rover will fall down inside the lift. So you have to press it for 3 seconds. Yeah. You can press it for 3 seconds and just keep watching it. If the lift is going upward, this LED will be on. Press it for 3 seconds and leave it. Then again press it for 3 seconds and leave it. You have to keep observing this LED. Once this middle LED will be on. Once this middle LED is on, that means the lift is at normal level. Lift is at level. I mean at any of the floor, either upper floor or bottom floor, it will be at the level. In that case, you have to call security guy and ask him to open the door and take out the guest. So you have to follow this. If it is on, if the blue tick is on in middle, that means the lift is level. Otherwise, just keep pressing it for 3 seconds continuously. Simple. Once the guest is out, once you take out the guest, close this everything. Ask Schindler, shut down the lift completely, and ask Schindler to come and fix it. Don't do anything. So you just have to rescue it. Once again, I'll repeat it very simply. Shut it down, the main breaker. Check your LEDs by pressing this. By pressing this, check your LEDs. Put it on, and to operate the lift, this button. Press it for 3 seconds only, maximum 3 seconds. After 3 seconds, leave it. Then again press it. Then leave it. Then again press. Keep pressing it until it becomes blue here. Once it is blue here, that means lift is at level. You can simply open the door and take out the rover. And I'm sure you know On every door there's a top. There's a keyhole. You can put your key there. You can open. Like if you'll see here, this is. So once the blue tick is on, that means lift is at level. You have to call security. Security is also having key. They will open the key and they will take out the rower. Simple. Then close the door, and put your signage of whatever installing update or not service, auto service, whatever signage, put it and call signal to come and do it. Yes, but I missed very important thing. As soon as CCTV calling you that somebody is stuck inside the lift, the first thing you have to call Schindler and ask them to come. First thing, ask them to come, and then you go and try to rescue the rower or staff or whatever it is. First thing you have to call this, because why you have to call the Schindler? Why you have to call the Schindler? Because, for example, because of any reason the lift got hanged or something happens, you already spent 30 minutes on the lift, 30 to 35, 40 minutes on the lift, and you are not able to open it. Then you will call Schindler. Then Schindler will come after 30-35 minutes. So it becomes 1 hour. So in order to minimize that duration, the first thing you have to do, either you have to explain your security that after calling us, call Schindler as well, or you call yourself by Schindler.